Okay, Beshem Hashem Naseh V'Nasliach. We continue learning Limud Chasod from Sefer Shemirat HaNefesh, written by Harav, Aharon, Zakai, Shlita. So this is the topic is Akhila Kasa. Eating too much or overeating or other definitions we're gonna explain. Sarich nizdaher liyot ochel lisvoa nafsho. A person needs to be careful to eat in order to satisfy his nefesh. Velo iman le'asar lesvot veten ba'achilat gasa. Not to overeat, right, that your stomach is filled. Right? Shebekach hu boneh Harav, because if one overeats, he is building a place for evil inclination to live. Sheken katfu hamekubalim shekol mi shemosif bechol yoter al kedei lesov'o, that whoever eats on the weekdays more than that which he needs, right, to be satisfied, Mustif koach besitra achra umachsich et yisro hara sheitkaber alav. Then he is empowering the evil inclination, right, that this way it's going to take him over. Uma gam hamarbe beseuda hareshut בשמחת מראות מוסיף כוח גדול בסטרא אחרא. Now, if a person also is increasing the seudah, that is not necessary. The seudah reshut is unnecessary. He's having too many snacks. He's having just, just the whole day is eating. Right? So that he's going to add to the power of impure powers to attack him. Shekeshem, Shahamisfa mit'alit umostifa koach bepamalia shen ma'ala beyod na'asid berabim kach keneged ze avera shehi na'asid berabim Now, just like if a person has the right kavanah, has the right intention to eat in order to elevate it for the sake of Hashem, to have koach to do mitzvot, so too the opposite is correct. If a person would eat too much, right, then that is going to push him to go and to follow the Yetzer Hara and the evil inclination, and the evil inclination will overpower him, lo aleinu. Right? Ukevar katvu chachmei hamusar sha'ochel yoter mikedei sifuko kama ra'ot oseh. So our sages of blessed memory, who are expert in giving advice and rebuke, they say if a person eats too much, then he is going to bring a lot of bad things to himself. Reshit, number one, right? Over al-bal tashchit, he is going to be transgressing the wasting. He is wasting food. ועוד שמעבד זמן האכילה וזמן היציאה, and then he's wasting his time of eating, and he's wasting time now and needs to go to restroom. Right? אם יתקלקל המסוטה ויהיה טרוד, now he's going to be יתקלקל has mocha beyet. Now, if he has a stomach ache, right, then he's going to be busy with the stomach the problem that he has, Zemanim. Now this is 3 times that he is going to deal with this. Ve'im yechalech ve'yamot, ve'im yechla ve'yamot, and if he becomes sick by overeating, right, and he dies, hareze mitchayev benafsho, then he is going to be responsible, right, because that to happen just by overeating. Lachen shomer nafsho yirchag ma'achila v'shetiya meruba velo ya'achel ella v'sheyareb. Therefore, a person who is careful, wants to be healthy and keep his soul, he should not overeat. Right? He should only eat when he is hungry. Right? ולא יאכל עד שיסבר לגמרי אלא פחות מעט. As the Rambam teaches us, right? Don't stop eating when you are completely satisfied. No. Stop eating a little bit before you're completely satisfied. You're still hungry a little bit.
Rambam says 1/3.
1/3.
Maybe you say 1/3 empty.
Deep stomach, 1/3 empty, according to my man. Vekata v'raibed, right? Shehamoshech yado mehamachal she'areh lechecho dekaparat avonotav. According to Raibed, if a person stops eating when he is still hungry, that is considered as a kapara, the forgiveness of his sins.
I'm sorry, he's saying what he likes. What he likes.
Yeah, my mistake. Yeah. What he likes, he stops eating. It is as if it's a kapara for his avonot.
That was Babasali was doing.
Babasali.
One time I heard one story that Babasali, one time his wife made a very delicious food, and he didn't eat it. Yeah. He said, well, you didn't like it. He said it was very, very delicious. That's why he did.
You wanted to have the kapara, right?
So that's kapara.
Nechshav ke'ilu tit'aneh ukemizbeach kapara. And if a person stops himself from eating that which is very tempting, it would be considered as ta'anit, fast, and also bringing kapara to the mizbeach. V'areze pikach she'o v'areze pikach she'ochel lisfoa nafsho v'nichshav ke'ilu it'aneh. If a person is a simple person, is pikach, he stops eating. Right.
When he eats it for just for satiating himself.
Right.
So nafsho.
Yeah, and he stops eating. It would be considered as keilu it'aneh, like as if he fasted. Va'ochel l'shem shamayim lo yelech achar ha'arev lechech. Umazir leguf. And a person who is eating for the sake of heavens, he should not go after, right? After his desires.
Food that he likes.
The food that he likes. That he likes, yeah. Right? And that is going to harm his guf. Ella achal hamoyil leguf. Rather, we should go after that which the body needs. As Pelagius says, even though that wouldn't taste so good, but it's good for the body, right. Go after that. Right? Umesupar al-Rabi Yosef Qobo Rav Be'ir Saloniki Shebeyamav היה איש צנוע באורחותיו. So a story is said about Rabbi Yosef Kovo, right? He was the Rav of the city called Senukniki, right? That Shebeyamav hu ish sanua, all his days he was a very modest person, right? Be'orchotav, right? With his conducts, right?
Right, his pants, yeah.
Right. Ve'amru alav, and they say for him, sheyesh lo magid u'megale lo razin, that there was a malach, angel that would come and would reveal to him the secrets. Ve'halchu alav gedolei senuki, and the gedolei, the important people, perhaps Rabbanim, would go over to him to ask questions, right? V'tamu lishmoa mipiv sodot nifla'im shelo yad'u kodem lekah. And they would wonder, wow, he has so much chidushim. He would say chidushim that they never knew before. כשנודע הדבר לרבי יוסף קובו אמר, לכו וראו איך הוא מתענג באכילתו ושתייתו. So when this became revealed to Rabbi Yosef Kovo about
they asked him how he behaved.
They asked him how he became so great. He said, come and see how I eat, how I drink. Amru lo, mekurim anu, oto shehu ochel v'shoteh harbe yoter miderech ben adam. So they saw that he ate too much. Amar Harav, im ken eino zachuch od lahakira v'chadisha kivan ספר שאוכל הרבה מעיד שכל מה שיודע הוא מכוח הסיטה אחריו ולא מן הקדושה, כי הקדושה אינו שורה על אדם שאוכל ושותה הרבה. So when they went and they saw how this person ate, right, and they saw that he overate and he had too many drinks, then this became revealed that his koach wasn't from a koach of kedusha; it was the impure purpose. V'gazar shelo lalechet alav, and the Rabbanim made a gezerah that nobody should go to him. V'achar kach nitba'er kedevarav, and then it became revealed as it was predicted that because he ate and drank too much. Right? He was not a Saddiq. Baruch Adonai Olam, Amen.
But we know from Zohar,
yes,
Elazar, he was eating 40 loaves of bread.
Yes.
And there was these people were making fun of him.
Right.
They just do it, Gemara.
Yes.
So they say, well, he has nachash in his stomach.
Right, in Farsi they would all those things.
Yeah. So they made fun of him. And these people, they were workers, they had donkeys. So the donkeys, the donkeys, he prayed, the donkeys all went on the roof.
Right.
So they couldn't come down. So they went to Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. Then he put your son put a donkey on the roof. And there's no way for them to come down. What should we do? So he said, did you make them upset? And then he asked his son, forgive them. Pray that they come down, they came down. But there was some people in the time of Gemara, that they were Balbasar. They call them Balbasar.
Yeah, they were
So
they were chubby.
Yeah,
but they were chubby l'shem shamayim.
Right. So it depends. Like some people, they eat because they have
they should eat to have koach to learn.
Right. Like so there were some people, like the Gemara said that this guy was Balbasar, was walking over the top of the earth.
Yeah.
So how do I stop this?
Just that button.